My name is Arham. There was a time in my life when I felt comfortable. Everything was predictable. I followed the same routine every day. I woke up at the same time. I studied at the same place. I met the same friends. Life felt simple and stable. But slowly, things started changing. One of my close friends moved to another city. My study schedule changed. My daily routine became different. These changes made me uncomfortable. I felt lost. I told myself, why is everything changing? I liked my old routine. I don't feel comfortable anymore. Because of this, my focus decreased. I felt distracted. One evening, I went to sit near a small lake close to my house. The water looked calm, but I noticed something interesting. The wind started blowing. Small waves appeared in the water. The calm surface changed. After some time, the wind stopped. The water became calm again. That moment made me think. Change is like the wind. It disturbs things for a while, but calmness returns. The next day, I spoke with my grandfather. I told him how I felt about the changes. He listened carefully and then said, "Life is always changing. If everything stayed the same, there would be no growth." He continued, "When you learn to stay steady during change, you become stronger." His words stayed in my mind. That day, I decided to adapt. I created a new routine. I found new ways to study. I practiced English at a different time. I adjusted to the new situation. At first, it felt difficult, but slowly, I became comfortable again. I realized something important. Change is not always negative. Sometimes change teaches flexibility. Sometimes change builds resilience. Now, when life changes, I don't panic. I take a deep breath. I adjust slowly because I know calmness returns, just like the lake after the wind. Final thought. Change is part of life. Stay steady and you will adapt. Growth often begins with change. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep adapting calmly. And always remember, stay steady, even when life changes.